Hey guys, it's Kate here. Welcome back to another video. And today, we'll just be playing a simple little thing. Let's play some Minecraft. Let's go. Okay, so I just started this. For some reason, my system didn't work. Okay. Apples. We need apples. Apples, food. I'm pressing shift. We've got a lot of sticks, that's also good. Awesome. That's a pretty good bonus chest. Do we have an axe? Yes, we do. Okay, so just quickly get this. Wait a second. Okay, so pop that out. Now I've got 2 torches as well. Let's just grab a little bit of, just grab a flower. Okay, so what we need to do first is obviously go over here, and we need to get this tree so we can make one more. So we need to make a crafting table, then we need to make one more pickaxe for our mining, and when we mine, hopefully we will find different types of ores, and yeah. So, after this, okay, inventory, so you just need to go with this. Oh yeah, you need to place these down, and then grab all the oak, and then we'll make a crafting table, which we'll swap out for the chest. Then after we've done the crafting table, we can press E, then we can go down to, not the axe. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna have to very quickly place down this, so then we're gonna go like this again, like this again. So actually, no, I don't need to do that. We can just put, so all you need to do is put 2 sticks. And then you need to grab your oak wood and put 3 along the top. Grab this, put that in our inventory, our axe, and we'll quickly chop down this. So yeah, now I got that. Now, it's a good thing we spawned next to a biome. Well, okay, not really a biome. Oh, geez, it's going to be a big fall. Oh, geez, yep. But yeah, we didn't actually spawn next to a cave, but we do have some stone. That's a good thing. Stone we need. We need stone. Stone's a must. Just gotta quickly keep mining all this. And then keep mining all this. Oh, okay, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I just went on for a little bit more, and look what I found! I found coal. I found coal. I need to quickly just get down here. This is so much coal. There's so much of it. There's more. Okay, well my furnace, yeah, it's gonna be powered pretty well. Geez, there's so much of this stuff. What the heck? There's like a lot. Place down a torch. Go back to my pickaxe. Like, how much coal is there gonna be here? That's crazy. This is probably the biggest patch of coal that I've ever actually found in Minecraft without using cheats. Biggest patch ever found for me. Okay, jeez, that was so much. Look how much more there still is. Okay, I'll get back to you guys when I am done. Okay, guys. So, what just happened, I finished mining up all the coal. I haven't seen how much coal I got. I hope it's a lot. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I got 29 coal. That's not too shabby. Not too shabby indeed. Okay. Okay, that's actually, yeah, it's not too bad. So, what we should do now is come over here, grab these, grab these. This is pretty much what you've got to do, like in every survival world. I'm pretty sure this is what you gotta do in like every survival world to get started. And also, by the way, if you get, here's some quick maths for ya. If you get 16 planks, which I'm getting right now, you'll be 16 planks. If you put those in your inventory crafting thing, it'll actually make it into exactly one stack. One stack. Let's see how much wood I've got. I've got 11. I'm pretty sure that's all I need. It's 44 plus 29. Okay, I got a stack and 9. That's not too bad. Okay, so let's go, and then we'll just quickly find a little flat ground to build our house. Literally perfect. Ah, jeez. Okay, so now we go here, then we go. No, not there. Why is it always going there? As you can see, my Minecraft skills have not gotten better. Well, you guys have not seen my Minecraft skills yet. That's the thing. So, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I think I should. Oh, is that the end? No, still got one more. Now I can go back. I can go back again. I can go back and back. And we can go back. And I still got more to go. Yay! Okay, we got it! Okay, I'm just going to very quickly just build a 3 by 3 just a quick 3 by 3 little shack for now. By shack, I mean this is my bedroom, right in the middle of my house. And then we can just done. Okay, so I'm just gonna stay here. Okay, guys, I think this is a pretty good way to end off the video. So, wait a second. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that like button pretty please. And as always, stay Gucci. I'll see you guys.